What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your midday market update. Alright, we need to do a market update. I might even call this an emergency update again because we are bullish, at least for now. Alright, on the short term we're bullish. On the long term, I think if you zoom out, we are still bearish. Alright, but I want to talk about that. I want to talk about what's possible from here. Is it a possibility that we actually turn bullish here? We'll cover everything. Alright, so we'll start off very briefly with the news, because most of this move was caused by news. So you need to know about it. You need to know the relevance. Then we'll talk about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at this moment, with the Bitcoin dominance that's rising again, together with this move, you need to know what Bitcoin is doing. And then I'll tell you the cryptos which I think, which I bought, first of all. But also the cryptos that I think you need to watch. Alright, so I'll try to keep this video short because I still have a little bit of a cough, which if I talk for too long, it starts to play up and it's horrible to listen to. But alright, let's get right into it. So the news we got is today we got some economic news from the US. Non-farm payrolls and unemployment rates were both, well, worse than expected, which is good, which may sound weird, but what's the case is that if these economic events are bad, that means that there's a higher likelihood that the inflation rate is dropping down, which means there's a higher likelihood that interest rates will be cut and will be lowered, which is bullish for stocks, for crypto, etc. So that's going on. That caused a big bullish move for Bitcoin. So what the situation is right now is that Bitcoin got a few big bullish breakouts. I think the most important breakout is this level, is this breakout above 61,000. That's the main level to hold. All right, so then the big question is all right, can we hold this? What does that mean for the market? Can we actually get more bullish momentum, etc., etc.? And that's something we'll have to see. All right, this is a big bullish breakout, but it's also Friday. Sometimes moves on a Friday cannot be trusted. All right, so what we have to see, and then apart from that, what I do think is interesting is that the open interest went up by quite a lot. All right, you can see that the open interest spiked up like this. If we look at the last time something like that happened, it was mainly this period of time, the 19th of April. And after that, we actually got some more bullish momentum. And the last time before that we actually got those such bullish moves from Bitcoin, the moves afterwards were also bullish. So I am cautiously bullish on Bitcoin right now. The main thing I want to see is that right now we have this level right here between the 200 EMA and the 0.236 VIP. I want to see some sort of a strong reaction from that. All right, and then ideally I would see Bitcoin break above 62,200 as well. If we can do that, I think we can see some more sustained and some more long-term bullish momentum. But if we break down below 60,800 again right here, which is the main support, then we can just as quickly turn bearish as well. All right, so be careful, because I am being slightly optimistic and slightly bullish, but one bearish breakout and it's gone. All right, so yeah, which cryptos do you need to trade? First of all, the best thing to do is to wait for the Bitcoin dominance to fall down. All right, right now the main move is caused by news, which affects Bitcoin the most. If the Bitcoin dominance starts to fall down, that's the moment that altcoins and Bitcoin stays relatively strong. That's the moment that altcoins have a chance. Now, personally, I think that Memecoins are doing quite well again. So what I did is I bought Bonk yesterday, have already taken most profits out of that. And I've bought Floki earlier today. All right, so I'm in that position, and I also bought Jasmine. But that's also, it's already up from entry. All right, so that's probably too late to take if you want to take that. All given in the Signal group, by the way, as well. So there we are making profits again with Bonk. Also took a little bit of a loss on Celestia, but in general still in profit. Some other cryptos that I thought were interesting is probably still Wormhole, even though it's a little bit slow right now. In general, I think that still has potential. And then if you look at some other big performers, something like Ordi has some potential, something like Dog with Hat. So again, that's a meme coin. Something like Pepe has been very strong, so that might actually get some sort of a breakout or continued bullish momentum. And then apart from that, that's like I said, what will happen in the ideal case scenario, apart from meme coins that are being strong right now. In the best case scenario, the Bitcoin dominance starts to fall down, and when the Bitcoin dominance starts to fall down, and Bitcoin is relatively strong, that's when you see meme coins popping off. All right, so wait for that. All right, wait for the Bitcoin dominance to drop down, check which cryptos are performing well then, and then jump into those cryptos if you want to. Those will perform the best. All right, so right now, last 15 minutes, there's not that much that's actually interesting to trade in terms of altcoins. So wait for the Bitcoin dominance. All right, if that starts to drop down, look for strong altcoins to jump in. Then for now, I think it's mainly meme coins, Jasmy, and some other weirder coins. All right. So that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.